For your convenience, we've included a corner and wedge mount with your Ring Video Doorbell too. Installing any of these mounts are optional, as it depends on the location you're installing your Ring Video Doorbell to. The optimal installation height for Ring Doorbell is 4 feet off the ground. If you're wiring Ring Doorbell to existing wires that are higher than 4 feet, use the wedge mount to angle it down to improve your view. The wedge mount angles your Ring Doorbell down 5 degrees to improve motion detection in view. This will help reduce motion events from passing traffic and ensure you capture approaching visitors if your Ring Doorbell is up a staircase, installed on angled siding, or facing a busy street. To install one of the mounts, simply screw it into your wall through these 2 holes in the middle. If you need to use both mounts, install the wedge on top of the corner mount to the wall first, before attaching Ring Doorbell.